Hi everyone, Josh Ledgard from KickoffLabs here, the audience growth platform where we help you create viral giveaways to engage your audience and convert new leads. We've been helping people for years build viral giveaways, leaderboards, referral reward campaigns, and even product launches for companies big and small. Today I want to talk to you about my favorite new feature we're launching, the world's first AI Giveaway Builder. You'll get a growth campaign built specifically for your brand based on proven templates. In minutes, you get a draft of pages, pop-ups, prize ideas, contest emails, images, reward levels, and more, customized for your brand and for your use case, designed to grow your audience. Let's get into it. When you open KickoffLabs, we give you a choice of how you want to grow your business. This is a library of different campaign templates, which are basically designs or templates of campaigns that we know how to build with AI. So that ranges from bonus entry sweepstakes, milestone rewards, a leaderboard giveaway, all the way down into product launch waitlist, milestone rewards by referrals, Kickstarter pre-launches, you name it, we've got a viral campaign for it that you can use. In today's demo, I'm going to go through and create a leaderboard giveaway just because I'd like to try this one out. I haven't really tried it out lately, so let's go for it. You can see I've started the new AI builder for a leaderboard giveaway. Let's get started. The only thing we're asking for today is a brief description of the product or the service that you offer. Our product is called Castle Maze. It's a castle-based maze for your fish that you install in your aquarium. Each castle maze has multiple hiding spots for your fish to enjoy with interior cameras for you to view from your exclusive iPhone app called Castle Cam. Sounds intriguing. Hopefully someone out there will build this. But let's go ahead and create a leaderboard campaign for it. So the next thing, we'll talk about how you want leads to join and share. KickoffLabs supports campaigns as a single page, two-page to pop-up, a pop-up box, an embedded box, or any other form. If you've got a landing page already built on Wix, on Webflow, on Framer, you can use that with our AnyForm script to turn that page into your KickoffLabs campaign. Use us for the status and sharing page that we'll get to in a minute. So let's go ahead and click next on the single page campaign. And next I'm going to ask for the design of the campaign. We've got a library of designs, but this is something that A, the AI is going to customize for you, and B, you can customize further later. So let's just pick this really simple one column campaign. And then here we've got a review of what's going on. So the scoring is going to be based on actions plus referrals. So social actions and referrals of other leads, a single page campaign based on this template, and we're going to tell the robot to dance. Now, while the campaign is processing, we'll give you a brief idea of what it's doing. It's building some of the emails. It's finding a hero image. It's writing the page copy, including boring legal text. It's identifying rewards and prizes. All right, it looks like it's wrapped up and it's created a giveaway called the Master Maze Giveaway. I'm excited to see what it built, so let's check it out. When we open the campaign, you get to the KickoffLabs campaign screen, and we'll tell you at the top, we've created the automatic reply email, the social share text, the campaign pop-up if you want to run it as a pop-up, and legal text based on the campaign description that was entered. Now, this page is now live, so let's check it out. So I've got the Master Maze giveaway here. Castle Maze Aquarium Contest. We're giving away a full year supply of premium fish food. Cool. So it picked out a related prize. So it's a prize that my audience would enjoy. So we're going to give away a supply of premium fish food here. I can enter my name and I can enter my email address. And there's a countdown here. It tells me I don't have any entries. Gives me ways to accumulate more points, and then it describes the year supply of fish food here that you could get. You will have to replace a prize image if you're giving away a specific prize, but that's fairly simple, and it tells you how many contestants are in the contest and shows you where they are on the leaderboard with how many entries they have. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter the giveaway, and now I'm entered to win. I've got my one entry, and I can go ahead and earn more points here. Anyway, let's go back to the campaign. So under messaging, we said we set the automatic reply email. And you can see there's a drafted email here that talks about the year supply of fish food. It's got some text and a link to get back to check your status and share more to earn additional entries. It's signed by the Castle Maze team. So pretty cool. It's a customized email already for the brand. What else can we check out that was built? Oh yeah, the social share text. Let's go ahead and look at that. This is something that a lot of people forget to set when they're running a giveaway. They'll forget to set the social share text for everything. So you can see that now I've got a Facebook title set, a Facebook description, a sharing image that you could replace, some text with some predetermined hashtags for Twitter, and some images that you can replace for your giveaway. And let's go back and see what else was set. If I'd added milestone rewards, it would have also suggested different reward levels, but I didn't add those for this campaign. But let's go ahead and check out the campaign box if I wanted to run this as a pop-up on my site instead of a landing page and see what it did there. Here you can see the pop-up box using the same image that we picked out. It talks about the Castle Maze giveaway, gives me a chance to enter and win. And if I preview it as a thank you once I've signed up, you can see that it's all the same actions here. This is all standard stuff within KickoffLabs, but again, I'll point out that the terms and conditions have been written for this type of contest where you're giving away something for a year or a year supply now. And so you don't have to worry if you're running this type of contest. The terms and conditions for the contest have already been updated for you. You have the similar rank tracking and the countdown here on the embed. Just lots of different ways from KickoffLabs to run this contest, either embedded on your site, run it as a pop-up, or the landing page we've built. I love the AI Builder because it gives people a great head start. It gives people a draft of what to do. A lot of people get stuck in terms of a prize to give away. This is coming up with a prize. It's keeping it consistent throughout the messaging of the contest. And it's also setting all little bits of information down to the browser page title and the page description that sometimes people just forget or neglect to set up. And so this is a great use case for AI just going through and just drafting all of this copy. You don't have to worry about it as much. You can go and edit it after the fact, and people find editing much easier than coming up with it from scratch to begin with. I hope you've enjoyed this demo of the AI Builder, and let everybody know about KickoffLabs, the world's first AI giveaway builder for your bonus entry sweepstakes, pre-launch waitlist, reward level giveaways, leaderboard giveaways, and so much more for anybody that wants to engage their audience, get new leads, get more sales, and just keep that list engaged besides just sending out boring emails. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.